Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Update iOS and confirm the Bluetooth accessory has charge and proximity. Once done, open Settings, Bluetooth, tap the info icon and choose Forget this device. Why? Removing the pairing clears corrupted profiles that often lock volume. After you forget, power your Bluetooth device completely off for 10 seconds, then power it back on. Make sure your iPhone volume is mid-level so you can hear changes during repairing. Don't skip this step. Now reboot both devices to flush transient issues. You restart the iPhone using the volume up, volume down, then hold side button method. Do a full power cycle on the accessory too. Once both are back, put the accessory into pairing mode and re-add it from Settings Bluetooth. Pair freshly and accept any permission prompts for media and audio. This ensures iPhone controls the audio stream. After pairing, play a test track and use both the iPhone volume buttons and the accessory controls to check response. Finish by confirming the app volume and sound check or EQ aren't limiting output. Disable them if needed. Make sure the iPhone media volume is at the desired level and that the accessory's own volume isn't set low. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and as a stronger step, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset Network Settings. This clears all Bluetooth pairings, but often resolves stubborn audio routing. If still fail,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.